You're enjoying your morning coffee while relaxing in a nice chair when all of a sudden the ground underneath you trembles. No, there is no earthquake. The financial industry is transforming, growing, and becoming something completely new. What if I told you that investing might not be as wise a move as it once was? Alright, everyone. Say goodbye to your parents' dated REITs and hello to cryptocurrency, the glimmering new kid on the block. Your brows are creased with uncertainty. They shouldn't be, after all. We're squaring off in this matchup between the venerable real estate investment trusts and the cutting-edge cryptocurrencies. The tangible against the intangible are at war in this conflict between bits and bytes and bricks and mortar. Let's now quickly review REITs. These traditional investments date back to the 1960s. They give you a consistent source of income and the reassurance that your money is invested in something tangible, like the downtown apartment building or the outlying shopping center. It seems safe, doesn't it? But hold on. Here comes the newest digital asset, cryptocurrency. Stop counting on a dilapidated structure to bring in money. Although volatile, cryptocurrencies offer prospective profits that would make a REIT blush. The stars are endless, and they're all competing for your attention. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. Where does it leave you, then? Should you continue investing in the tried and true REITs or plunge into the turbulent waters of cryptocurrency? The solution is more complex than you may imagine. REITs are solid and predictable. On the one hand, you are aware of what to expect. It's like getting the same cup of coffee every day. Yes, comforting, but also monotonous? Crypto, on the other hand, is the intriguing but erratic date. It might be an exhilarating ride on a roller coaster to who knows where. However, there is always a chance of rapidly falling to the ground. That being said, the million-dollar issue is, do you prefer your coffee black and basic or with a dose of adrenaline? That is what it ultimately comes down to. Crypto versus REITs is a choice between familiarity and adventure, between revolution and change. Are you prepared to choose? REITs, with their consistent income and predictable returns? Or perhaps cryptocurrencies, with their incredible promise and harrowing volatility? Your decision is yours. Choose your poison, and start playing the financial games. When determining whether to invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, or cryptocurrency, keep the following things in mind. Cryptocurrencies often have a greater risk profile and are significantly more volatile than REITs. REITs make investments in dependable physical real estate. Returns, when compared to REITs in the past, cryptocurrencies have witnessed substantially higher returns. Past success, however, does not ensure future success. Diversification. REITs give investors access to the real estate market. Exposure to the burgeoning digital currency market is provided through cryptocurrencies. Either addition can aid in diversifying a portfolio of investments. Value. The value of the underlying real estate assets is the foundation for REIT valuations. Cryptocurrency valuations can be extremely speculative and difficult to determine. Trends in adoption. In comparison to the widespread use of real estate, cryptocurrency adoption is still relatively modest. But the use of cryptocurrencies has been fast expanding. Regulation. Within well-established legal and regulatory frameworks, REITs operate. Regulation of cryptocurrencies is still developing and is more ambiguous. REITs are subject to interest rate risk in addition to ordinary market risk. Along with extreme volatility, the possibility of fraud, and regulatory ambiguity, cryptocurrencies carry these dangers. Before investing money in either, as with any investment, careful research is advised. Diversification and moderation can reduce hazards.